Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your LHDN taxes. We'll cover who needs to file, what documents are essential, the different methods available for submission, and crucial deadlines to keep in mind. This guide aims to simplify the process, ensuring you understand each step clearly. Let's get started on making your tax filing experience straightforward and stress-free. First, let's clarify who needs to file and what you'll need. Generally, Malaysian residents earning income are required to file. You'll need your EA form or other income statements, along with receipts for any tax relief claims you plan to make. Don't forget to have your MyCAD or passport details ready, as these are essential for identification during the process. Now, let's look at how you can actually file your taxes. The most convenient method is e-filing, which allows you to submit electronically through the MyTax portal. Alternatively, you can submit physical forms at any LHDN branch. The LHDN website provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide for both methods, ensuring you can navigate the process smoothly. Finally, let's talk about important deadlines and some helpful tips. Individual tax filing deadlines typically fall in April or June, depending on your income type. It's crucial to keep all your tax-related documents for at least 7 years. Always review your submission carefully before finalizing it to avoid any errors. Staying organized will make your tax filing much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.